Kolb's learning styles offer a fascinating framework for understanding how people learn best. Whether you're a student, educator, or lifelong learner, Kolb's theory helps tailor learning experiences for better outcomes.
David Kolb, an American educational theorist, introduced his experiential learning model in the 1980s. He proposed that learning is an ongoing process involving experiencing, reflecting, thinking, and acting. According to Kolb, these stages shape how we absorb new information and develop new skills.
Kolb identified four distinct learning styles, based on how individuals prefer to grasp and process information. Converging learners are practical problem solvers, thriving on technical tasks with clear solutions. Think engineers or computer scientists. Diverging learners are imaginative, excelling at brainstorming and exploring multiple perspectives, like artists or writers. Assimilators enjoy organizing information and analyzing concepts, ideal for academics and researchers. Accommodators prefer hands-on experience and adapt well to new challenges. Entrepreneurs and adventurers often learn this way.
Kolb's model also describes a learning cycle with four stages: concrete experience, reflective observation, abstract conceptualization, and active experimentation. First, we have concrete experience, where you actually do or experience something. Next comes reflective observation, thinking back and observing what happened. Then, abstract conceptualization involves drawing conclusions or building theories from the experience. Finally, active experimentation is about applying what you've learned to new situations. Everyone moves through these stages, but your preferred learning style may influence where you focus most.
Understanding your learning style can help you study more effectively, collaborate in teams, and communicate clearly. For educators and trainers, Kolb's framework is a valuable tool for designing inclusive activities that engage all learners. By considering different styles, learning becomes more dynamic and accessible.
You can apply Kolb styles right away. Start by identifying your learning style and playing to your strengths. Try activities outside your comfort zone to build new skills, and collaborate with people who learn differently for a richer, more rewarding experience.
Whether you're a converger, diverger, assimilator, or accommodator, Kolb's learning styles provide valuable insights to enhance your learning journey. Explore your style and discover new strategies to help you succeed.